How to deactivate Facebook account in your PC. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the steps to deactivate your Facebook account on your personal computer. So first, you'll need to log into your Facebook account on your PC. For that, open your preferred web browser and in the search bar type in facebook.com and hit enter. After that, you will be directed to your Facebook page. Locate and click on the profile picture in the top right hand side of the screen. From there, navigate to the settings and privacy. Now click on settings again. Within settings, select the account center in the left hand side of the screen. Click on it. And now proceed by clicking on personal details, followed by account ownership and control. Within this section, you will find the option to deactivate or delete your account. Click on deactivation or deletion. Choose the account you'd like to deactivate, either Facebook or Instagram. So as per this video, we are going to deactivate our Facebook account. So we are going to click on this option over here. After that, you'll get two options of deactivating your account, which is a temporary option indicating that our name and the photos will be removed from the most of the things on Facebook that we have shared, but we'll be able to continue using our messenger. So talking about deleting your account is permanent. So when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you have shared on Facebook. So your main profile, your messenger, all of your messages, including all of your information, will also be deleted. As for this video, we're going to deactivate our account. So we'll click on this option over here. Click on continue. And afterward, if you have any associated Facebook pages, they will also be deactivated. So continue through this process as well. And lastly, input the correct form of your password and click on continue to finalize the deactivation of your Facebook account. So this was all about how to deactivate Facebook account in PC. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.